In this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import products from different websites to your Shopify store. Now, this is very quick and easy, and the app that we are going to use in this video is free. You don't really have to pay for anything, okay? It has a free version, so we are going to take advantage of that. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, okay? That's the first step. Now, by the way, you can import products, for example, from another Shopify account or another Shopify store, or you can import products, for example, for Amazon, AliExpress, any website online. You can import products from that website to your Shopify store. In a few seconds, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then after that, you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now, next thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now, it will take you directly, guys, to Shopify App Store, as you can see here. And I already explained this app in the previous videos, but I'm going to show you all the features this app offers you guys for free, okay? Really, you don't have to pay for anything because it has the free version, free plan, okay? Now, in the top, you want to search for an app. It's called Robo, okay? The name of the app is Robo. Now search for that, and as you can see, the full name is Robo Product Importer, okay? Make sure it has the same logo. Click on that app, and after that you want to click on install app, okay? You just need to install the app, okay? Because I already have it, okay? That's why it says for me here open. I will try to remove the app from my app store, so that's I'm going so that I can show you guys how you can I'm going to delete it right now. Okay, so I'm going to reload the page. Okay, it says for me here open app because I already have it on my Shopify store. Now for you will have to click on install, and it will take you to another page, and click again on install. It will be here, okay? Now after that, this is how the app looks like. Okay, like I said, you just need to click on install here, and after that, it says here, install our free Chrome extension. Now this extension helps you guys so that you can go to any website, and you will find in the top here, you will find the extension, and if you click on it, it will say there like import to your Shopify store. Now that's why we want to use this extension. Just click on get extension here, and it will take you directly, guys, to Chrome Web Store, and you want to click on add to Chrome, and then click again on add to add extension. And in the top, what you guys need to do next, you want to click here where you can see all your extensions, and you want to pin this extension in the top right, okay? It says here pin it in the top right. And then now what you guys need to do next, you want to go to any website you can find online. It could be your own Shopify store, it could be Amazon, it could be AliExpress, any product on any website, you can import them to your Shopify store. As an example, we are going to use Amazon again, and I'm going to open Amazon. For example, I'm going to open a random product, for example, this product. Now what you guys need to do, just need to click on this extension in the top right, which is the Robo app. Just click on that, and it will say here add to your Shopify. Click on add to your Shopify, and it will take you guys to this page. By the way, it's not always accurate 100%. Sometimes it makes mistakes when it comes to sometimes not always 1 in 100. And also even the app says the same thing. It says here with consistently changing e-commerce sites, the product data imported may not be accurate. Verify data before importing. So all you need to do, guys, description, it doesn't make any mistake when it comes to description. I tested it. The images, you just need to click on select all images here, so that it can select all the images that are available in the product. And the basic info, you just need to add here the price that you want to sell this for on your Shopify store. And then of course you can always go to your Shopify store and edit these things if you don't like something here. Now after you finish, guys, verifying everything, click on import, and then click on add product to Shopify. Now after you click, guys, on add product to Shopify, you just need to click now. You just need to go now to your Shopify. You already imported this product to your Shopify. Just click on products here, and you will find that exact product. Just click on this I, And as you can see, this is the product that we have imported from Amazon. And by the way, you can import any product from any website. It's not Amazon only. You can import products from anywhere. Okay, you just need to click on the extension in the top right and then click on add to Shopify. Please drop a like and comment below if you don't understand anything. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.